Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all on behalf of Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to a research, life is equal to 15% technical skills plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Ilmu Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering: truth, honesty, and justice. To achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering, Ilmu Irfan offers a course. The title of the course is Plan, Design, and Develop Business Pages on Social Media Platforms. It is introductory lecture of the course. I am your instructor, Gull Mehak. Here it is a brief introduction about myself. I hold bachelor's degree in computer science from Lahore College for Women University, Lahore, Pakistan. Currently, I am doing Masters in Computer Science from Comsets University, Islamabad, Lahore campus, Pakistan, and working under the supervision of Dr. Rao Muhammad Adil Nawab. I am also a member of Natural Language Processing Research Group at Comsets University, Islamabad, Lahore campus, Pakistan. Let's start with lecture outline. Inshallah, in today's lecture, first I'll present course aims, course learning outcomes, and course contents. After that, I'll present course development and teaching methodology. Let's move to course aims, course learning outcomes, and course contents. A very fundamental question: why should we plan, design, and develop business pages on social media platforms? The answer to this question is planning, designing, and developing business pages on social media platforms enables us to: number one, have easy and quick access to global data and information. Number two, reach international market with low cost, time, and effort to sell products or services. Course focus. The main focus of the course is enjoy all the benefits of using social media platforms, for example, digital marketing, sharing content, etc., by learning to plan, design, and develop business pages on social media platforms. Course aims. The main aims of this course are as follows. The first aim is introduce how to achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering to become a balanced and characterful person. The second aim is introduce how to tell an interesting, connected, and coherent story in a course. The third aim is introduce how to plan, design, and develop business pages on social media platforms. Course learning outcomes. Inshallah, by the end of the course, a participant should be able to: number one, live and enjoy the blessing of a balanced and characterful life by putting efforts on daily basis to achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering. Number two, plan, design, and develop business pages on social media platforms using a template based approach. Number three, to understand how following approaches can be used to efficiently solve both real world problems and business pages creation problems, including systematic thinking approach, identifying most suitable solution approach, completeness and correctness approach, divide and conquer approach, half cooked approach. template based approach, and finally, 100% effort with sincerity approach. Important note: to successfully achieve all the course aims and course learning outcomes, please do all the to do and U-turn tasks on time with truth, honesty, and justice. Course contents, lecture by lecture. This course is fundamentally divided into three parts. The first part is introduction. In introduction, I'll present four lectures. Lecture 1, Introduction to Course. Lecture 2, Basics of Social Media Platforms. Lecture 3, 3 racks for creating business pages on social media platforms. Lecture 4, Creating an email account. The second part of the course is social media platforms. In second part, I'll present 8 lectures. Lecture 5, creating a Facebook account. Lecture 6, creating a Facebook business page. Lecture 7, creating a LinkedIn account. Lecture 8, creating a LinkedIn business page. Lecture 9, creating an Instagram business page. Lecture 10, creating a Twitter business page. Lecture 11, creating a YouTube business channel. And lecture 12, first post on business pages of Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. And finally, the last part of this course is conclusion. In this part, I'll present only one lecture, lecture 13, main findings, conclusion, and future work. Target audience. The targeted audience of the course is all interested male and female candidates from any field of life. After discussing course aims, course learning outcomes, and course content, now I'll present the second part of the lecture, that is course development and teaching methodology. Let's discuss course development methodology. This course aims to tell a connected and coherent story using a simple to complex step by step approach. How the simple to complex step by step approach works. It is divided into three-step process. In step 1, instructor will deliver a lecture. In the lecture, each concept will be explained using detailed examples. Therefore, 100% work is done by teacher. In step 2, to do task will be introduced by the teacher. That is, and 50% work is done by teacher and 50% of the work is done by students by finding out the solutions to the to do task. It is important to note here these to do tasks will be similar to the examples solved in step 1, that is lecture. After completion of to do task, the course will move to your turn task. In your turn task, student will find out task which will be similar to the to do task solved in step 2. In addition to this, students will also find the solutions of those tasks. As we move from step 1 to step 3, it is a simple to complex and step by step process. An important thing to note here is that these to do and your turn tasks given in the course will be served as assignments for the students. Course teaching methodology. The course will be taught using half cooked approach. That is, 50% of the work will be done by teacher and 50% of the work will be done by students. So, both teachers and students are putting efforts to achieve excellence in both technical skills and human engineering. Course fee. Course is free. However, it is a humble request from Irfan Institute, at least teach one person after taking this course and request him or her to do the same. After discussing course development and teaching methodology, now I'll move to lecture summary. To summarize, in this lecture, I presented a brief introduction of the instructor of the course aims, course learning outcomes, and course contents, and finally, course development and teaching methodology. In next lecture, inshallah, in next lecture, I'll present lecture 1, Introduction to Course. Jazakumullahu khair. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.